Okay, darlings, I'm getting ready to make a Doritos covered chicken breast. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill the chicken breast with cream cheese and some garlic and some onion powder. It calls for garlic powder, but you know what? Garlic powder sucks. Oh, and it has bacon in it too. You know how much I love bacon. So we're going to coat the chicken breast in seasoned salt and pepper flour and our egg and then our Doritos. And in our cream cheese, we're going to stuff it with some cheese. Da 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 da. Oh, can't forget that. All right. Um, there's the Jim Beam hiding back there because I still have to finish with the cheesecake. Let me tell you, my beauties, it's going to be amaze balls. Let me get that in there. Hi. Happy Sunday. Ta-da. Still got my pan for my bacon when I made the bacon for my bacon cheesecake. So I'm still going to use it again. Why not? All right. Let's get the bacon going. Bacon. Making bacon. Because that's what I love. I love my bacon. And my boys love bacon, but they don't get any. Maybe just a little bit. Okay. Where's my kniff? There's one right here. All right, we okay. We are okay. Get that pan warmed up. I could have cleaned it, but you know what? It's already got bacon juice in it, so what does it matter? So we'll start warming up the bacon, getting it all crispy fried, because we are going to add it to our cream cheese mixture with a little bit of green onion. And, ooh, that might be just about enough. Oh, but we gotta have extra to put on top. Oh, fuck yeah. Can never have too much bacon. Oh, and I guess it doesn't really matter because we're gonna need bacon for the cream cheese. Why is my knife being stupid? I just sharpened it. Oh well. Whatever, Trevor. Okay. And there we go. And there we go. There's my baby nubs. There's my baby nubs. What you doing, baby nubs? Ooh, you're so silly. You are. You're so silly. You're just trying to get in there. Oh, let me clean my knife. You're just so silly. He is so silly. He likes to hide in the corner when the mama's cooking. All right. Bacon, schmaking some bacon. I'm gonna cut just the very tips off because they're always dried and kind of garbagey. Anywaysy. We bought them a new toy today. Well, holy shit. Whoa. What? Who are you barking at? Oh, he's barking at that big bad snake. And Junior's not sharing. Nubs is telling them what for. Yes, you can have some. Some of this is going to be for garnish. Some of this is going into cheese mixture. Go over there. Okay. Tis a bacon day. Alright. Ooh. Always turn the blade away from your hand when you're smashing your garlic. Because you never know when you might slip. Oh, there goes my Doritos. Doritos monster is here. When can I have cheesecake? Not till later. Because it's going to be amaze balls. Whoever thought of fucking bacon and cheesecake? Not this girl. But now that I know, I'm thinking of other things that can go in cheesecake. Hmm? What? Or that can go, well, there's a lot of things you can roll in bacon. Oh, fuck yeah. You can roll a lot of things in bacon. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of things to roll in bacon. Let's take a pause for, oh, where's the pause? Holy shit. Okay. I have herb and garlic cream cheese. You can use regular. You can use whatever the fuck you want, really. You don't need a lot because you're only doing 2 chicken tits. So, you don't want to overfill it. Oh, but you can never go wrong with garlic. We're going to lose a little bit of the onions because some of these are going to be used for garnish. I'm going to put them in a little bowl. Yes, in a little bowl. Where's my little bowls? Here's my little bowl. Okay, put that aside. Gonna need it later. Get it out of the way. Turn up that bacon, get it a little bit crispy. We'll mix this up for now. I use 2 cloves of garlic. Yeah, and with the herb and garlic, you know, if you're going to use regular plain cream cheese, you can add some onion powder, you can add some garlic powder. Personally, my preference is stay away from the powder and go au natural. So, hence why we have some green onion and real garlic and herb and garlic. Alright, put that aside for the moment because when that's done, we're going to add some of that to that. Not all of it, but some of it. Meanwhile, we're going to grate some Cracker Barrel. Not a lot. You don't need a lot. Come here, my boys. This is my boy. Oh, and Mama's going to have to share some of that cheese with you. Who wants cheese? Come here. Watch how handsome my boys are. Where's my boys? Come here, Nubs. Come here, Junior. Sit. Sit nice. Nice. Good boy. Come here, Junior. Sit. Nice. Oh, my good boys. They listen when they have food. Okay, let's get back to it. That's for me. Yeah. Gotta have cheese, baby. Gotta have cheese. So, the recipe says to use half a cup. Well, if you're doing 4 chicken breasts, we're only doing 2. So we're only doing a little bit of cheddar. But I'm also going to add some parm. Because why the fuck not? Right? Nothing wrong with a little bit of cheese. Can you see me? All right, that's better. We'll give that bacon a stir on right away on. Let's get this cheese grated up first, though. All right. All right. Ta-da-da-da. Bunk. Let's add a little bit of hard parmigiana. There we go. Beautiful, darlings. Beautiful. That's why I like cooking like this. Because you don't really need to measure. You just cook as you know that it feels right, it tastes good, and you just... Baking, you gotta fucking measure everything. Cooking like this, meh. Meh. You cook as much as you want, and you cook it to your taste and how you like it. And my darlings, anybody who knows me and who's watched, when I cook this stuff, I don't measure shit. Alright, let's get this all mixed up, because this is going to be fan-fucking-tabulous. Can't wait to add el bacon. It is a bacon kind of day, baby. Yep. It's a bacon kind of day. Alright, we got our cheese, cream cheese, garlic, green onion, herb and garlic cream cheese. And now, we are waiting on the bacon. Get that out of the way. So I took some Doritos and I put them in a baggie. And I used my rolling pin and crunched them all up. Ta-da! Done. 2 eggs, little splash of milk, some salt and pepper, a couple of nice big tablespoons of flour, some salt and pepper. Okay? Okay. Some of this I need to put away. Give me a second. Alright. Tough fucking duck. That out of the way. Wipe off my board and my knife. No momento. That's just Mama. Stop it. You always think that something is going on. That you're missing out. I tell you I had to fire my wardrobe lady. She's got a bad attitude. Always tells me my hair don't match my clothes. She keeps drinking on the job too. Bad attitude, and she's a little bit of a lush. I don't know what to do about her. At least hair and makeup showed up. Well, I might have to fire them too, because holy fuck. The purple turned out alright though, bitches. Alright, let's get our chicken tits ready. Okay? Okay! I need to go for a pee break. Okay, we're back. Now, I did my business. I washed my hands. My bacon is ready. Just need to let it cool a little bit. Well, okay, a lot more. It needs to be cooled. Needs to be cooled. Alright. There we go. Let that baby's cool. Now I definitely need to wash it this time. And get rid of the grease. Alright? Un momento, darlings. Un momento. Okay, Junior, what are you nipping at? There's nothing down here for you. No. There's nothing down here for you. It all gone. Get out of the way. Pardon me?
I give them Doritos.
Oh, did you?
No, you loved them.
Of course he did. They got cheese on them. Of course he loved a Dorito. They got cheese on them. All right, there's the chicken tits. Let's do this. I need my pan. Okay. All right. Get your butt out of the way there, fat boy. I got a fat boy and a low rider. Junior and Nubs. What you looking at? What's over there? There's nothing there for you. We're going to bake at 375. Bake. Now, I'm going to just grease my pan a little bit here. You know what? First of all, I'm going to let my oven heat up a little bit. Then I'm going to preheat my pan. I so need a new one. My Corel pan here is getting a little outdated. I've had it like for fucking ever. Ever. Okay. We got some bacon. Let's prep our chicken. Chicken. I like to get rid of all these ugly little pieces here. Okay? Here's what we're going to do. We're not going to go sideways or anything like that. We're just going to do it right down the middle, all right? Just a nice little split right down the middle. And here's what I like to do is I actually add, I don't know if you can, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I actually add an extra little split so that it opens up just a little bit more. So that you got a nice, beautiful pocket. If you can see, I don't want to touch my camera because I got chicken juice on my fingers. Hang on a second. I don't want my fingers on. All right. So as you can see, I take my chicken and I slice it right down the middle, and then I go inside and cut an extra slice in there. So that makes it extra room for your stuffing, darlings. Okay, so let's do the other one. I like to get rid of all the little hard pieces here, like the cartilage. Okay, once again, down the middle, not too deep. Okay, like so. And then again, just cut inside and inside, and again, not too deep, and you have a nice little pocket. Okay, again, nice little pockets so that you can put your stuffing inside. The bacon is almost cool enough. See, I only touched it with the top of my hands, not my fingers. Hey? Because you don't want to transfer your raw meat onto your other meat. Let's get this out of the way. Wash your fingers, wash your fingers, wash your hands. Okay. Rid of that bacon grease. There we go. Okay, darlings. The oven is heating up. We have our cream cheese mixture. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of the bacon. Just a little titch more. Okay. Get rid of that knife. Don't need that no more. And let's mix the bacon. Oh my God. My darlings. This is going to be fan-fucking-tabulous. That's all I can tell you. Okay. So we're going to save some of this for the garnish for after this other bacon here. All right? All right. Let us stuff our chicken breast. Okay? This is why I always make the extra pocket. Make the pocket extra big. Okay? All right. Stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff. Because that way, all right. All right. Let me wash my hands off. I'm going to start by heating this up. Warming up my pan. Now, I don't know if I want to use toothpicks to criss and cross and hold it closed, which I think I might. All right. Because you want to close your pockets. Okay, there's one. Stuff that cheese in there, baby. Stuff it in. And there's two. Okay. Stuff and stuff and stuff and stuff. There's three. And there's four. Push all that in as much as you can. You're now kind of binding it together with your toothpicks. Just I know they're crisscrossed and it might not work, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. Another one. I find these toothpicks are much easier to, when you're done with cooking your meal, rather than string. Then you gotta fuck around with the string and you gotta try and untie it. At least with the toothpicks, you know where they are. And you can just pull them out and you don't have to fuck around and untie shit and get scissors and all that kind of bullshit. So, toothpicks it is. Alright. Hands are washed. Plate is almost, I got an itchy nose. Itchy, itchy, itchy. What the lake flying services. Same glass from earlier. Okay. Let's see if my pan is ready. I think it's pretty close. So anyway, I picked all my mint today. And I brought it to my girl Jackie. Because she loves to make mint jelly. Her and her hubby are lamb and duck fanatics. And she makes the best mint jelly and eats it with the mint, or the lamb and the duck. I have always wanted to do a turducken. So I know a farmer east of town, and he raises turkeys and he raises chickens. And there's a Hutterite colony just east of town that also has ducks. So Shanana is thinking about doing a turducken. It's gonna be a lot of fucking work. I know when my dad, he didn't do a turducken, he did a turkey and a chicken and a Cornish hen. And I know it took him at least 3 days to debone and get everything all together and all that kind of shit. But I still want to do a turducken. Then I can check it off my list of foods that I want to cook. And I'm going to do it. And there might be a lot of wine involved or not. I don't know yet. All right, darlings. Let's get the pan out. Get that pan out of the oven. Okay. Now, let's add a little bit of that. Okay. First of all, we need to dredge in some flour. Okay? We're going to dredge it in the flour. Flour, egg, and then crumbs. All in this order. Oh my God. Okay. Oven is ready, babies. Let's do it. Okay. 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 Fluff and dredge. Fluff and dredge. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is where it gets messy. And there we go. And there we go. And flip it over again. And into the crumbs. Oh baby, oh baby. Oh baby, oh baby. I don't know if I crumbled enough crumbs. I may need to do some more freaking crumbs. However, yeah. Okay, we might have enough. We might have enough. We might have enough. Okay, number 2. Here we go. Here we go. Number 2. Here we go. Baby, oh baby, oh baby. I sound like Walk with Yan. Oh baby, oh baby. Didn't he used to say that? I think he did. Oh baby, oh baby. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Oh me, oh my. This is going to be amaze balls. Okay, into the pan. I did just enough crumbs. Look at that. I did. Fingers are gooey. Fingers are gooey. Okay. All right. Now let's just... Now, these are going to bake at 375 for about, 35 to 45 minutes, okay? So we will be back. And cheers. I'm not sure what I'm doing as a side. I think just a salad, because really that's a lot of freaking chicken. Okay? And gonna need some roughage to push all that through. Okay, my little monkeys. I'll be back for part 2. Because like I said before, I don't know how to edit and cut and paste and put all this shit together. And I see my cheeks are kind of getting a little bit rosy from the white wine, but what the fuck ever. Love y'all. We'll see you again shortly.